Ever pondered on the health benefits of a peanut butter jelly diet? It's a question that might raise eyebrows, and yet it's one that deserves consideration. Many of us are familiar with the classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich, a staple in lunchboxes across the globe. Its simplicity and popularity have often led to misconceptions about its nutritional value. Some see it merely as a quick fix for hunger pangs, while others dismiss it as a child's sandwich, not quite fitting for a health-conscious adult's diet. But what if we told you that there's more to this humble sandwich than meets the eye? That its basic ingredients could be part of a balanced diet, offering surprising health benefits. Join us as we unpack the surprising health benefits of this humble sandwich. Scene script. First, let's dive into the nutritious world of peanut butter. What makes peanut butter a health superstar? Packed with essential nutrients, it's more than just a delicious spread. Let's break down what's inside. Peanut butter is rich in protein, a vital building block for our muscles and tissues. A single serving can provide about 7 grams of protein, making it an excellent source for both vegetarians and non-vegetarians alike. But that's not all. Peanut butter is also loaded with healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These heart-friendly fats can help lower bad cholesterol levels and increase the good ones, promoting a healthy cardiovascular system. Moving on to vitamins, peanut butter is a great source of vitamins E and B6. Vitamin E functions as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage, while vitamin B6 plays a crucial role in brain development and function. And let's not forget about the fiber. With about 2 grams per serving, peanut butter can aid in digestion and help maintain a healthy bowel movement. Additionally, peanut butter contains essential minerals like magnesium, which contributes to muscle and nerve health, and potassium, which can help regulate fluid balance and blood pressure. The best part? All these benefits come bundled in a tasty, versatile spread that can be paired with a variety of foods, making it easy to incorporate into your diet. As you can see, peanut butter is not just a tasty spread, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. Next, the sweet and tangy jelly that complements the creamy peanut butter. Now, let's delve into the health benefits of this vibrant spread. Jelly, often made from a variety of fruits, is packed with antioxidants. These antioxidants wage a silent war against harmful free radicals in our bodies, promoting overall health and well-being. The fruit content of jelly also brings a host of vitamins and minerals to the table, or rather, to the bread. Vitamins like C and K and minerals such as magnesium and potassium are all inherent in fruits, and by extension, in our jar of jelly. These nutrients help boost immunity, strengthen bones, and even contribute to heart health. But remember, while jelly boasts these benefits, it also contains sugar. Moderation is key here. Choose a jelly that's low in sugar and high in fruit content to reap its benefits without overindulging. Jelly, when chosen wisely and consumed in moderation, can add not only flavor but also a nutritional kick to your diet. So can we now say the peanut butter jelly diet is a health-promoting choice? Absolutely. We've seen how peanut butter, rich in healthy fats and protein, can aid in maintaining healthy body weight and lowering cholesterol. Jelly, on the other hand, can provide us with essential vitamins, particularly when made from real fruit. But remember, not all peanut butter and jelly are created equal. Opt for high-quality products with minimal additives to reap the most benefits. And don't forget, moderation is key. While this diet can be beneficial, it should be incorporated into a balanced diet to ensure overall health. Indeed, the peanut butter jelly diet can be more than just a comfort food. It can be a delightful addition to a healthy lifestyle.